Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a super easy tutorial on how to do your own DIY U-part wig. Now before you start, make sure you use your concealer or your foundation to draw a U-part like this on the front area of your wig before you start installing the hair. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be using my old hair. I'm going to start installing the hair directly from the back using my needle and thread. So after installing the hair, I'm going to go ahead and use my scissors to cut off this remaining part. Then I'm going to go ahead and sew down this clip on the wig. This is very important. You don't want your wig falling off your head when you wear it. So I'm going to be using this clip. You can use any clip that you have. I actually used 6 of these clips and added another type of clip because I don't want my wig falling off my head. So this is all for this video, and please don't forget to share and give it a thumbs up. Thank you all so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.